আসসালামু আলাইকুম প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, কেমন আছো? আশা করি তোমরা সবাই অনেক ভালো আছো। আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা শিখব ইংরেজি অ্যালফাবেট। কি শিখব বলো তো? ইংরেজি অ্যালফাবেট। চলো তাহলে শুরু করি।
A is for apple. A is for apple. A. B is for ball. B is for ball. C is for caterpillar. C is for caterpillar. D is for dog. D is for dog. E is for egg. E is for egg. F is for fish. F is for fish. G is for God. G is for God. H is for house. H is for house. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. J is for jam. K is for kite. K is for kite. L is for lion. L is for lion. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. N is for net. N is for net. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. P is for phone. P is for phone. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R is for rocket. R is for rocket. S is for sun. S is for sun. T is for tree. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. V is for vase. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.